Ever wondered what the perfect breakfast looks like for weight loss and a healthy gut? Imagine starting your day with a meal that boosts your metabolism, improves digestion, and sets you on the right path for the day. Well, today, I've got some amazing tips to share with you. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the top breakfast tips for weight loss and gut health in 2024. Let's get started. Tip number 1: include probiotics in your breakfast. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods can help balance your gut bacteria, aiding digestion and helping with weight loss. My personal favorite is a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Tip number 2: high-protein smoothies. Starting your day with protein can keep you full longer and reduce cravings. Try blending some spinach, a scoop of protein powder, half a banana, and almond milk. It's quick, nutritious, and delicious. Tip number 3: don't shy away from healthy fats. Adding avocado, nuts, or seeds to your breakfast can provide you with essential nutrients and keep you satisfied. How about an avocado toast or an omelet cooked in olive oil with a side of mixed nuts? Tip number 4: incorporate fresh fruits. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are great for your digestion and can be a sweet way to start your day. A colorful fruit salad or just an apple on the go can do wonders. And finally, tip number 5: stay hydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and help with digestion. Try adding a squeeze of lemon for an extra detox boost. So there you have it, the top breakfast tips for weight loss and gut health. Incorporate these simple yet effective strategies into your daily routine and watch how they transform your mornings and your health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.